All right. So what do you think about the success? What is your definition for success? All right. So before I'm going to continue further, I just want to show you a small video. Just watch the video and then tell me what did you understand by observing the video, and then you can get some idea, some inputs from that video to give the answer for this question. All right. So listen carefully. All right. So now you people can answer me, what is your definition for success? What is your definition for success? So after watching the video, definitely you might have got some idea, right? So what do you think? What is the definition of success according to you? What kind of definition you want to provide for the success? All right.
Achieving our goal.
By saying our goal, very good. Any other answers? Right, let me give you, it's a small equation. Yes is equals to yes plus s. Yes is equals to yes plus yes. So the first in S indicates success. Success is equals to yes plus yes. So do you think what would be these two S? Do you have any idea, any guessing?
No, sir.
All right. So here, success is equals to system plus support. If you want to get the success, you should have a perfect system. Once we have the perfect system, you need one more thing, that is support. So system plus support gives you the success. The system plus support give you the success. So you need to have a perfect system and a perfect support. Right? So alone system can't give you the success. Similarly, alone support can't give you the success. So you need these two things. See, if you observe the G phase of that tree, that plant, then you can see simultaneously the root system and the main branches are growing together. Right? Initially, in the beginning, the root system started growing. Once the root system started growing, simultaneously, the main branches of that plant also started growing. And see, if you observe, whenever the new twigs or the new branches are coming out of the tree, out of the plant, the rest of the branches or the rest of the leaves are balancing. That is what called support. All right. So the system is grasping the nutrients from the soil and growing the plant. That is the system. Then the support is, without those branches, without those leaves, that plant can be able to survive. That plant cannot be able to stand firm. All right? To survive, to get success, we should have two things: system plus support. This is what the definition I just want to give you all, the people who wants to get the success in your business, whatever you are doing, whatever the business you have been doing. All right. So now let's jump into today's topic. We have been talking about marketing. What does it mean by marketing? So what is marketing? What is marketing? You people can unmute yourself and can talk, because I just want to make it a live session. Just want to make it an interactive session as well. So if you have any ideas, if you have any inputs wants to share, you can share with me. All right. So what, according to you, the marketing? What does it mean by marketing? All right. So just look at the pictures and try to observe, try to understand what does it mean by marketing. You'll get definitely some ideas after looking at the pictures. So just look at the pictures and try to figure out, so what does it mean by marketing? So if you observe in the picture, figure 1, you'll be able to see some phenomenon, some natural phenomenon. What exactly happening there? Any ideas what they are doing in the picture? All right. So here, if we observe, they are exchanging the things. They are exchanging the things. So now, look at the second picture and try to figure out what exactly happening there. What is that? It's just a marketplace. All right? It's just a marketplace. Next, money as a medium of exchange. Money as a medium of exchange. No barter. Right? And the fourth one. So do you get any ideas after looking at all these 4 pictures? Definitely you might have got some ideas after looking at all the pictures, all 4 pictures. All right. So let me give you. This is what, nothing but the evolution of money. The evolution of money in the early days, in the olden days. There was a tradition, there was a custom of barter system. The barter system is nothing but exchanging the things. For example, I need some milk. What I do, I used to give some grains to the next person, to my neighbor, right? By giving some things to him, he'll give my needs. He'll give some things to fulfill my needs. Right? It's just nothing but sharing the things, whatever we have. All right? And Then after later period, what happened? They used to sell the products by taking the gold, right? Gold coins or gold biscuits. Then the system has changed. The metal coins existed. The metal coins came to exist and it was ruled the whole world's economy. After that, from the metal coins to paper currency, right? So some of you might have seen the paper currency a lot. Nowadays, if you observe nowadays, the paper currency has been reducing. The usage of paper currency has been reducing and the other platforms have been increasing very fast, like plastic cards. So plastic cards, nothing but chip-based credit debit cards, right? So for every transaction we have been using digital payments, a debit card or credit cards, right? So if you observe the recent periods, mostly it's been into digital payment methods. Most of us, we are not using the barter system, we are not using the gold coins or metal coins or paper or even the cards, plastic cards. We are using internet, right? Digital transactions, digital payments for any purchase, for any sellings. We have been using the same platform, digital or electronic money, right? And this current trending money is cryptocurrency or bitcoins. Bitcoins or cryptocurrency. This is the currency is going to be rule the world soon after 21st century. All right. So almost it's been popular around more than 100 countries in the world, and it's been acceptable with all countries. It is being acceptable for all the countries. So soon it is going to get more popularity, and this is going to rule the whole world. Bitcoins are cryptocurrency. So this is nothing but evolution of money. Simply we can say this is the cycle of marketing system has been changing. The cycle of marketing system has been changing day by day. All right. So in the market, what do we do? What are the things we do in the market? Generally, whenever we talk about marketing, we get some ideas like selling or purchasing, right? And advertising, promotions, making products available in stores, maintaining inventories. So these are the general concepts we get into mind. And if you ask all of the above, correct. These are all the things true and plus much more. Marketing is not only selling, advertising, and maintaining the stores. It's not only that thing. Marketing is more. We need to learn a lot of things about marketing. All right. So now, what exactly marketing? What kind of definition can we give for marketing? So marketing is the process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, promotion, and distribution of ideas, goods, services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organizational goals, right? So marketing is the process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, promotion, and distribution of ideas, goods, services to create exchanges that satisfy individuals and organizational goals. This is the definition given by American Marketing Association. This is the definition given by American Marketing Association. All right. So now, what do we do or what do we market? What are the things we will market? Goods, services, events, experiences, personalities, organizations, properties, information, ideas, and concepts. These are all the things we can market, like goods, services, events, experiences, personalities, place, organizations, properties, information, ideas, and concepts. Even if we have a creative idea, you can market on that. If you have different concept, if you have any new concept for any difficult problem, if you have any new concept or solution for a difficult problem, you can market that, you can sell that. If you have unique information with you, you can sell that. All right. So everything you can sell, anything you can market, because this is the 21st century. We all in a generation, everywhere we connected with the whole world. All right. So now if you observe, the whole world become a small village. You can connect with any important persons of the world. In the earlier days, if you want to know about the world, it's like a huge task. But now you can know about the world on your fingertips by simply browsing your mobile phone. You can carry the whole world in your pocket. So this is what the world became small village. Right. So this is the evolution of market. This is the evolution of market. See, if you observe pre-industrial revolution, simple trade era. In 1860s to 1920s, production era. 1920s to 1940s, sales era. 1940s to 1960s, marketing department era. 1960s to 1990s, marketing company era. 1990s to 2010, relationship marketing era. 2010 to present, social mobile marketing era. All right, in the olden days, if you want to sell some products, what do we need to do? We need to do a lot of exercises like preparing banners, preparing flyers, flex, right? Giving advertisements in newspapers, right? In TV channels, in radios. So a lot of techniques were there, all right? Those are all costlier and time taken to get the customers to your business. But now the business era has been changed to social or mobile marketing era. The marketing strategies has been changed, and this is the latest era. We can do your business simply by sitting from your home. You can simply sit in your home and you can sell whatever the products you want to sell. All right. So this is a wonderful era we are all living in. And before you enter into any marketing or before you enter into any new business, you need to pose 6 questions to yourself. You need to ask 6 questions to yourself. So those 6 questions are, what does the market buy? So you need to have a clear idea about what does the market buy. So whatever the market is buying, whatever in need, whatever in demand, you need to manufacture those things. You need to prepare those things. You need to create them. So this is what called sales. If you want to sell your products, you need to know the demand. You need to know the need of the customer. And then why does it buy? Why they are buying? What are the users? You should know that. And who buys? You should know your customer. Who is going to be your customer? You should know that. And how does it buy? So what are the methods they are approaching to buy your products? Are they coming to your shops? Are they coming to your outlets simply? Or are they simply browsing from the internet? So what are the modes, what are the mediums they are using to buy the products? And when does it buy? See, some particular products will be available in the market only on particular seasons. So according to that season, you should be able to provide your products. And where does it buy? You should know the place where does it buy. Okay, So see, if you have the business, it's not at all enough. If you want to start the business, it's not at all enough. There are a lot of things you need to keep in mind. You should know first thing is who are your customers, when, where, why, how. These are the questions you need to pose to yourself. When they are buying your products, how they are buying your products, right? Why they are buying your products, where they are buying your products. So every question you need to pose before you enter into the marketing world, before you enter into the marketing. All right. So if you enter into the market, then automatically you should have a clear vision. You should have a clear destination. You should have a clear goal. Then only you'll be able to achieve the success. This is what called system. This is what called a system. And extended marketing mix. So this is the 7 P's of marketing. So earlier there were 4 P's of marketing, then there were 7 P's of marketing, now there were 14 P's of marketing, but we don't need to bother about all those P's, but we're supposed to know the standard 7 P's of marketing, right? This is extended marketing mix. So extended marketing mix is nothing but it's a mixture of 7 P's. First thing is product. What is the product? Is the hour of need of the customers. Price. What is the price you are offering to your customers? Sometimes, though you have high price, you will get some customers, but it takes time. Until and unless you get the popularity, or until and unless you get the faith in your customers, you can be able to get the customers. You can be able to get new customers. But giving little low price, somehow acceptable, is simply we can say moderate price. But if you give for cheaper price, again it leads to disaster situations. But you should think about the marketing strategies. You should think about the society. You should think about the competitors of your products, right? So once you have clear idea about your product, and once you have clear idea about your competitors and their price, then you can release any product for the payment, for the money, whatever you want to fix. And the promotion. All right, so the third P indicates promotion. See, we should have a proper promotion. Otherwise, we can't be able to do our business properly. So we should have a proper promotion. Promotion is nothing but support. So how to support yourself, how to get support from the social media, how to get support from the print media, how to get support from the electronic media, right? How to get support from the peers, how to get support from the public. So this is what called a promotion. You will get promotion from your customers also. And the place where you are going to sell your products, where you are selling products, that is also very important. And the people who are buying your products. Are you designed your products for the rich people, or the middle class, or the poor people? You need to think about the class of the people. And the process, what process you have been following. Does the process is difficult to buy your products, or does the process is very easy to buy them? It should be user friendly. And the physical, you need to think about the products, how far these are going to give the life, how reliable your products are, how much time they are reliable to your customers, how much time they are serving your customers. So every concept you should have in your mind. And then let us enter into digital marketing. So what exactly digital marketing? What do you think about digital marketing? Do you have any idea about digital marketing? Do you have any idea about digital marketing? Anyone can respond. Do you have any idea about digital marketing? No idea? So just look at the screen and you'll be able to identify some information. You can get some information. So what exactly does it mean by digital marketing? All right. So let me give you a small story here. By then you will be able to understand what exactly the digital marketing and what exactly the marketing strategy should be, how the marketing strategy should be. All right. So let me give you a small story. So once upon a time, there was a man. He was an entrepreneur. In the beginning, he was an entrepreneur. He started selling biscuits. He started to sell biscuits. Right. So in the first year, he started selling his biscuits simply by giving the biscuits hand to hand. Right. He used to carry all the biscuits in a box or in a basket. All right. So he used to roam around the streets. He used to sell the biscuits door to door by simply giving the biscuits to hand to hand. He worked for 1 year, then he changed his approach, and then he started selling his biscuits by simply, he started a small outlet, a small shop like Buddycoat, right? He started a small shop and has been selling the products. So this time what happens? Earlier he used to give the biscuits hand to hand. Now he is giving the biscuits in a tissue paper, or you can say like disposable plates. Has been selling the biscuits in a disposable plates, right? So now after 1 year he wants more success and he started new approach. This time he has been selling the biscuits by simply keeping all the biscuits in a packet or in a cover, polythene cover, and he is selling the products. Okay. Again, after 1 year, he decided to change his approach to the little advanced style. He thought that selling the biscuits hand to hand is not giving much results than selling the biscuits on a paper plate or disposable plates. And disposable plates are not giving more success than selling the biscuits in a cover by giving biscuits, putting the biscuits into a polythene cover and giving. All right. So now, after observing his 30 years of experience, he realized one concept and he started a new approach to sell the biscuits. Now he is selling all the biscuits in a Tetra pack or beautifully wrapped packs. All right. So now he is selling all the biscuits in a beautiful wrapped Tetra packs and he got more customers. Now he just want to conduct one competition. He just want to conduct one competition for who is going to be the winner and who is going to be the wise man. Okay, you should buy the biscuits, but it should be, you should show that you are a wise person. So he conducted a competition. He kept all the biscuits, whatever the methods he applied since his business started. Okay, he kept a huge amount of biscuits, like a heap of biscuits on a table, one side, and table one. Then on the second table, he gathered some biscuits, same heap of the biscuits, and he has been selling the biscuits in a tissue paper. And in the third table, on the third table, he has been selling the biscuits by giving the, by packing the biscuits in a polythene car. And the fourth method, beautifully wrapped Tetra pack. So these are the four methods he has been selling in a fair, okay, in a competition. Then being a customer, for suppose if you want to buy some biscuits, from which shop you are going to buy, from which outlet you are going to buy. So there are four methods. The first method is they are giving hand to hand. In a second method, they are giving the biscuits by simply keeping the biscuits in a disposable plate and they are giving. And in the third case, they are giving just in a wrapped polythene cover biscuits. All right. And next fourth case. So here they are giving the biscuits in a beautifully wrapped covers. So now you tell me which is the best way where you are going to buy the biscuits. So whether I want to go for outlet 1 or outlet 2 or outlet 3 or outlet 4, where you want to buy the biscuits. You just assume yourself that you're the customers, I'm the seller. So where do you want to go and buy? Any ideas?
Outlet 4, sir.
Outlet 4, why? Did I say,
Sir,
friends, all the biscuits are same. Same
yes,
product,
sir.
same quality, everything is same. But why you want to buy from fourth?
Because it's beautifully wrapped and nice to see, sir.
Superb, superb. All right. So whatever the business you are doing, the same business has been there in the market. But what we need to do is we need to execute, we need to present our products that are unique. It might be similar to others. It might be same concepts you are using. It might be same products you are selling. But the way you are presenting, the way you are executing, that decides your success rate. All right. So now jump into digital marketing. So what exactly digital marketing? What is digital marketing? What do you think about digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of internet, mobile devices or social media or search engines and other channels to reach consumers. So digital media, digital marketing is nothing but by using the internet or by using the digital platforms to meet the customer, to reach the customer and to satisfy their needs. That is what called digital marketing. Selling your products, selling your products or reaching your customers through internet, through digital platforms called digital marketing. All right. So what are the types of digital marketings are there? What are the types of digital marketing? All right, these are some digital marketing strategies. These are some digital marketing sites, right? Affiliate marketing. So these are methods of digital marketing. Affiliate marketing, content marketing, email marketing, instant messaging marketing, pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, search engine optimization, SEO, or search engine marketing, SEM, social media marketing, SMM, and YouTube advertising. It doesn't mean these are the only platforms. There are much more. So these are the various platforms or various popular platforms we have been in. These are all various popular platforms have been in market and has been popularized around the digital marketing around the world. All right. So what does it mean by affiliate marketing? What does it mean by affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is nothing but references. So for example, if you refer some students, if you refer some clients, if you refer some customers, you will get some money. That is what called affiliate marketing. Content marketing. So here you're writing the content, you're writing a lot of content, you're creating your content on giving advertisement. You are selling your content. And email marketing. Using emails for marketing. This is a wonderful marketing strategy. Most of the people doesn't know, and most of the people doesn't use this email marketing. A few people are using, and those some people are using email marketing, but all people are not so successful because the way they are sending the mails and the way they are using the language. Simply we can say the choice of words, right? So if you know the perfect choice of words, if you know how to use what kind of language to use to grab the attention of your customers, then automatically you will get a lot of success. And instant messaging marketing, so this is everyone knows, simply sending messages, instant messages, right? Pay per click advertisement, so this is a very popular advertising approach of advertising style. So it attracts the customers to see and spend their time to your advertisements. If they spend more time on your advertisements, then automatically they'll get a lot of money from your advertising. All right. So it is nothing but spending on the advertisements and getting the money. And then search engine optimization, right? So search engine optimization is nothing but reducing the traffic of visiting your websites, reducing the traffic for visiting your applications like Android apps or any web browsers or any your websites, right? So this is nothing but search engine optimization or search engine marketing. So these are similar, and here what happens, you are going to reduce the traffic, and you are going to show your advertisements, you are going to show your marketing strategies. And once they enter into for example, if you are using Google, right? If you enter into the Google, then automatically you will get some pop-ups, right? So those are all advertisements, right? So this is we are tying up with a third party who is sending, who is giving third party connections and who is providing the services to advertise our products, right? So this is a little costly, SEO and SEM. And social media marketing, so in the social media current generation, this is the very easiest way to market your products. You can market your products whatever you want to market. All right. So there are a lot of social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, right? Yeah, no. So these kind of things, there are a lot of things are there. Vendor site. So you can use a lot of social media networking sites for your advertisement, and YouTube advertisement is also come under this social media marketing. All right. So these are all the things we can use under digital marketing. These are all digital marketing platforms. There are a lot of digital marketing platforms, right? So now I just want to give you some practice on how to create. First thing, I just want to give you some practice on creating Google Forms. Right. So so if you have the laptops or if you have the mobile phones with you, you can use this. You can directly practice now, or if you want to practice later also you can practice. That's up to you, your choice, right? So first I just want to show you how to create Google Forms for your business, right? Because for every business, every online platform, we need to whenever you are getting the customers, you need to give this kind of registration links. All right, so here you can use the Google Forms for your leads. So first just type Google Forms in the Google browser, then click on Google Forms. Here you will get a lot of samples. All right, so here I'm just creating Google Forms from the trash. All right, I don't want to use the earlier Google Forms. I just want to give you, I just want to create a one new Google Sheet for your business. So this is the way how the Google Sheet look likes. Okay, this is the way how the Google Sheet looks like. So now from here onwards, you can do anything, whatever you want. So are you all able to see the screen? So if you have a mobile phone and if you have a laptop together, try to use the laptop for your practice purpose. Try to use the mobile phone only, mobile phone for listening to me. All right. So the first thing, I just want to add some themes to my Google form. Right. So here, I just want to upload an image. So here there are a lot of online themes. If you want to use them, you can use them, or else if you have any logo or if you have any company photos or if you have any business of your own, then you can use them for your business purposes. So now I'm using so here I'm just want to upload an image of my organization. If you want to add any caption here, you can add any caption. Right. So if you see here, this is the background, or this is the my company's logo and the title. I just want to upload or appear on my Google form. So I just have uploaded a photo or an image for this header. All right. Now what you can do is you can change some color. If you want to change the background colors, you can use the background colors. So there are some options. You can use the background colors also. All right. So for example, if you want any other colors, like you can use more colors or you can use the already sample colors. All right. So now I just want to take up the red one. Okay. So this is what the background I just want to apply for my Google form. Right. So now here, try to give your title. So whatever the title you want to send, whatever the title you want to give to your form, you can give that title. Right. So here I just want to give the title as professional development training. Right. So this is what the title I just want to give to my Google Sheet. And then here you can give any description, like whatever the description you want to give, you can give. All right. So after that, you can give the questions. You can add the questions now one by one. Question by question you can add. All right. So here I just want to give the question one. For example, if it is a registration form, then how can you add the details? How can you give the details? So for example, firstly you want title. Okay. So for example, if you want to add some title to the name, then you can say, you can use, first the question is title. Then after you can use here, if you click on, for example, if you see here, so beside the title, there is a dialog box, short answer dialog box. So if you click on that, it will pop up a lot of options like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple choice. All right. Next, checkbox grade, date, time. So these are all the options you can use according to your title. So it is a title. So this is the first question I just want to add. So here I can use the drawbacks. Okay, I can use the drawbacks. So Mr. or Miss or Miss or Mrs. I hope you all know the difference between Miss and Mrs. and Ms. Okay. Okay, these are the titles I have given. Now what I'm going to do is, if you want to make it mandatory, so here in the bottom of the question you can see required. All right, you just need to click on that. You need to enable it. So once you enable it, automatically it will become mandatory for answer. They're supposed to answer this question. All right. So the first question completed, then you're supposed to enter the next question. So if you see here, there is another dialog box with some options. Okay, first thing is add question. Second thing is import question. Then third thing is add title and description. And fourth thing is add image. And fifth thing, add video. And then add section. Okay, one by one we will talk about it. So first thing, add question, one more question. For example, if you want to add another question to Google Forms. So here, first name. Okay, here just want to give the first name, right? Make it mandatory. Then last name. Then make it mandatory. After the name, then you can ask for contact details or address, right? So for address, you can give a paragraph, all right? Next, contact number, or you can just simply contact. So here, you can make the numbers, okay? So here, if you just want to use the numbers, see in the bottom of the screen here, you can see number, okay? So here, only the number you can use, or text, length, a regular expression. So these are the options you will have. But what you need to do is, you need to select number, because contact is always will be with number. All right. Next, again, if you want mail ID or if you want WhatsApp number, you can use WhatsApp number. All right. If you don't want to make it as a mandatory column, then you can just simply leave it. So if you click on required, then it will become mandatory. If you don't click on that, then it will become optional for them. Okay. So here I just want to make it optional because I just want to show you how it looks like optional and mandatory columns. Next. So here I want to add a break, right? I want to add a section. So here what I am supposed to do is, so for all of previous questions will be like one section. Now I just want to add another section. Okay, so here you can add mail ID. Okay, so here you can add another title, and you can add the photos, anything you can do whatever you want to do here, right? So here I just want to add another title, so like fee or payments details. Okay, so here you can give some description, then you can start second page questions. Okay, so date of payment. So date of payment here, if you see, automatically the calendar has been enabled. All right, next, if you want to add any other column like reference number or UPID, or serial number. Okay, whatever you want to add, you can add here. Okay, and make it mandatory. Okay, so you have completed the document. You just want to see how your document looks like. So here if you see customize themes, so in this customized themes you will be able to change the colors, you can change the font. All right, so everything you can do. And next to the customized themes, here you will be able to see preview. So this is the preview. We can see this is the document. Generally we all will be able to see. All right, so I hope you are all able to see the document. So it looks like this. So for example, I want to fill the form, like I just want to write down my name. Okay, just something I'm just adding. Okay, because see, so here by mistake I typed a letter, and automatically it's showing must be a number. Okay, so if you observe the questions here, first thing, title, beside the title there is a star mark, which means it's mandatory. Next, first name star mark, last name star mark. But if you look at address, there is no star mark, which means it's not mandatory. Okay, so here if you leave it, no problem. Okay, if you want to add information, you can add here. If you don't want, you don't need to add it. So again here, WhatsApp number, it's not mandatory. Then for example, I forgot to fill this column email, because it's a mandatory column. Just assume that you forgot to fill that column and you are trying to send that. You are trying to send the document. You are trying to go to the next slide. Then what happens? See, then what happens? It shows you this is required question. All right. So if you click on mandatory, all right, if you click on required, then it won't allow the person who are filling that form to go to the next column, next question, I mean next page. Okay, so here you're supposed to give some mail ID. Okay, Okay, so if you see here, it's showing must be a number. Understood? Why it is showing must be a number? Because we enabled only number there. Check it once. Understood? So here, sorry, this one. So here we enabled number. So before completing your document, you should be able to check out whether it is number or text. Okay, anything you can use. Okay, regular expression or text or number, your choice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So now once again come to preview. So you just fill all the name, all the things, all the concepts. I'm just giving only for understanding. So you're supposed to enter only the number wherever you need numbers. Where there you're supposed to enter only numbers. Wherever you need to enter the letters, there you can use the letters. Okay. Now click on next. So the first half completed. Okay, so now the second half. So here onwards we're supposed to fill the rest of the details. So here they're asking the date. Here you're supposed to choose the date. You can choose the date according to the year, according to the month. As per that you can choose that. So for example, if it is in 2000, okay, 2000 June 5th or 7th or 8th, so you just want to mention any date, you can go back and you can come to current date. You can go back and you can come back, come to current date also. All right, so reference number or UPI ID, any number you can mention. So whatever the number you have mentioned, whenever you pay the payments, whenever you make payments, then automatically you will get some numbers. So then that numbers you can enter. Okay, so after entering that, you can click on submit. Okay, then automatically it will come to the person who has created that document. Okay, so just now this is the form we have been preparing. All right, so after preparation of this form, you will get the responses here. So this is the responses sheet. Okay, if you want to take Excel sheet, so here you can see that Excel form document. If you just click on that, you will get Excel document to your drive, like Google or whatever the drives you are using. So into your drive, you will get that document to your drive. Okay, so these are the responses. You can see the responses. So what are the responses he mentioned, the earlier person? Okay. And for example, if you want to add any links, clickable links, in that case, how can you do it? For example, here I just want to add a clickable link. Okay, after this question, I just want to add one more question. All right. Join our team. Okay, so here you can paste any clickable link. Okay, you can paste here, you can place a clickable link, or you can go for another section. You can go for another section and add the link here also, your choice. Okay, let us see how it looks like. Okay, so you need to fill all the details, then only it will give you the permission to go to the next option. So I'm just filling something. Next. Okay, so here you can mention any dates, today's date, only number here, reference ID. Then if you want to join the team, you just click on this. Okay, or for example, just assume that it's not here in the next page, it is there in the next page. Then click on next. So here you will find this clickable link. If you click on this, then automatically it will redirect you to that link. Whatever the link you have furnished, you can join into that. So here if I click on that, then automatically I can join this group, WTL Center for Excellence in Happy Learning. This is my WhatsApp group link. Okay, so this is the way how we supposed to add a clickable link. Even you can use your payment links also. The method is same. You can use the payment link also. First you need to do is you need to create your payment gateway. After creating the payment gateway, then after you just copy that link and paste that link into your document Google form. Then automatically you can be able to do it well. All right. So now what you're supposed to do is I'll give you the permission to share your screens. Any one of you can start doing this practically. I just want to see you all practical. So here we all can use an application. It's a web application. You can use this application and you can use it for your business. So the application name of the application is nothing but Canva. Okay, you can design anything. So here you can design anything like let me show you whatever you can design. So social media, events, marketing, documents, prints, videos, school, personal, anything. All right, so you can design like Instagram posts, you can design logos, posters, you can design presentations, you can design YouTube thumbnails, Facebook posts, YouTube channel arts, and animated social media, and Facebook cards, blogs, blog banners, Instagram stories, videos, right? A4 documents, social media, YouTube stories, cards, right? Infographics, flyers, resumes, LinkedIn banners, right? So anything you can design here by using this online platform. And let me tell you a wonderful thing about Canva. So this is a completely free platform. You can use it completely for free of cost. You don't need to pay or you don't need to spend even a single rupee on this. Okay, so you can design anything. You can design anything. That is why on the so that is why here you can see on the dashboard, you can see design anything. Whatever you want to design, you can design that. So now let me show you how to design your business card. All right. So vertical business cards or V cards. V business cards are vertical business cards. So this is the business cards. You can use this platform to design yourself. This is the, see, most of the people are using V cards, business cards. So you can design your business cards. So whatever the business you are into, just type the name. For example, if you are into uh, agriculture department, you can use the title agriculture. If you are into education, you can use education department. Or if you are into teaching and training, you can use that title. And if you are into software industry, you can use that title. Right? So whatever the business you are doing, you just use that title to get some templates. To get some templates. All right. So after getting the templates, what you can do is you can use the template whatever you want to use. Okay. So for example, I don't want to use the templates. I want to start from the beginning. All right. So I just want to start from the beginning. From the trash, I want to create a V card for myself without taking the help of this platform. I mean, simply you can say, so I want to design myself, right? All the things we can design whatever you want to do, right? So now what you can do is, so you can choose the color of your background. You can choose the color of your background. So for that, what you're supposed to do is, so just click on that white screen, white document, then come to colors. So whatever the color you want to use, you can use that color. So now I just want to go with cobalt blue. So this is the color I just want to go with. All right, I have chosen the color. Now I just want to use some shapes. So first, let me show you here. So left side of your screen, you all able to see this dashboard. All right. So in the dashboard, you will be able to find templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, videos, background, folders, and more. Okay. So templates means whatever the design you want to use, you can use those templates. And then uploads means, for example, if you want to add any photos of your business, for example, I want to add my logo. So what I can do is, so here if you see, upload an image or video. So if you just click on this, you will get some options like upload from the device or from Facebook or Google Drive or Instagram or Dropbox. So from the device you can upload. Already I uploaded my logo here, so I'll use that. So this is my logo I just want to use. So what you're supposed to do is just, if you click on the logo, then automatically it will appear on the template, whatever the template you are using. So you can rearrange the size. You can rearrange the size. Okay. So by moving the cursor, you can rearrange the size here. So now I just want to arrange it a little small. And then I just want to add some shapes. All right. So now here you can see recently used and featured lines, shapes. So whatever the shape you want to use, you can use frames, stickers, all right, charts, grids, anything you can use, whatever you want to use. So now I just want to use some shapes. So I'll go with shapes. And one more thing here you can see. So in the search button, you'll be able to find a filter option. It's a filter option here. You can find animation, animated or static. So static means a simple one, animated means with animation. And here availability, free or pro. Pro means for every image you need to spend $1. You need to pay $1 from pro images. If you use free images, it's completely free. If you use pro version, pro images, then you need to spend $1 for one image. And if you want to use any animated videos or animations, then it will be $8 for one image. Okay, so my suggestion is no need to go for pro version, no need to go for pro images. You can use free images. So simply click on free and then apply filters. So these are all the shapes we can use to our background, or wherever you want to use the shapes, whatever the shapes you want to use, you can use. All right. So now I'm just using this hand symbol. Okay. So if you want to rotate it, you can rotate it. So here I just want to use this letter. So I'll just keep it here. Then I'm just using arrow. Okay. So now what you can do is you just add whatever the information you want to add. So now I just want to add text. So if you come here to the text, after when you click on the text, then here you will be able to see a lot of options like add a heading. So heading means it should be the main heading, and then subheading, then add a little bit of the body text. So these are the three variations along with different styles. So whatever the style you want to use, you can use. Okay. So now I just want to start with trash. I don't want to use any uh, templates, earlier templates. I just want to go with my heading. So here you can arrange it according to your text. WTL. This is what the main heading I just want to add here. Right, this is the main heading I just want to add here. All right. And if you want to change the color of that, see here, if you just click on the text, you'll get some dialogues pop up, right? So here, if you just click on this, here you will find a lot of uh, what you can say. So these are all the text styles, right? So whatever the font you want to use, you can use the fonts. See, for some fonts, beside that font, there is a crown symbol. Those are all paid versions. Those are all pro versions. You can buy them if you want, right? So my suggestion is not to go for buy or designing anything. You can just simply design yourself. Okay. So if you want to use any different style, you can use the different style. Okay. And the next, size. So you can redesign, you can remodify the size also, and the color, right? The whatever the color you want to add, you can add. And then, so if you select the type information, you'll be able to find a lot of options like central alignment, right? So numbers, so effects, anything you can use. And after that, I just want to add subheading. Right, WTL Center for Excellence and Happy Learning. This is what the name of my organization. So I just want to add it here. Okay. After adding this, if you have any information, so for example, if you want to say that you are conducting a today um, free workshop, okay, you can increase the size. Okay, you can increase the size. You can change the styles also, your choice, according to your choice. You can use that. Okay, so now here I just want to add some more information like contact details. Contact. Guys, mute yourself. All right. So here I just want to add the contact details: 90002472008 and 7047588640. Right. So these are the contact details. I just want to add it. These are the contact details I just want to add here. I just added them. All right. And now here I just want to give any link. All right. So here I just want to add any information. So this is the link I just have given. Okay, by clicking here, they can join our WhatsApp group. Okay, next, if you want to add any designs here on the screen, so just go for if for example, if you want to add your photo, now what you're supposed to do is just come back to frames, elements, then frames. So you can choose any frame, whatever the frame you want to add, you just can add the frame here. See here, I just want to add my photo. So then what I'm supposed to do is you need to you should have the photos already there. All right. So it should be in your uploads. Then click on the photo. You can use that photo into the design, whatever the design you want to use. Okay. So if you feel that it is completed, or if you want to add anything like designs or shapes or anything, you can add here. Right. If you feel that it is completed, then you can see every now and then what you're supposed to do is, so on the top of the screen here you will be able to find file. Okay, so here at the file what you're supposed to do is you need to click on and save. Okay, because why I'm suggesting you all to click on save every now and then, because for example, while doing your work, if you lost the electricity, or if there is any network issue, or if there are some technical issues that you are not able to continue with that work, then what happens, automatically you are going to lose that design, whatever the design you have made earlier. All right, so in that case what happens, if you click on save, then it will be saved to the drop, automatically it will saved into the website. Then for example, you have completed you lost the network connectivity. This time you're already completed your, you don't have the network connectivity. So what you're supposed to do, next time you, once you enter into this Canva, then you can go to all your designs. If you click on all your designs, you'll get your previous designs here. Okay, whatever the designs you made earlier, so those details will be here. Okay, so refresh once, then automatically you will get the latest version of latest design also. So this is the recent one I have been creating. If you have the proper network connectivity, it will come very fast, right? Just click on that. Let me click on that. See, this is the design I just now prepared. All right. So this is the design I just now prepared. So this is the way how you can save your document without missing any work. And for example, if you want to download it, okay, there are two options for downloading. See here, you can see download option, direct arrow mark, download arrow mark. Okay, the arrow mark showing download, right? So you can click on that, automatically you can download. Or so beside that also here at the three dots, if you click on that, you will also find download option, print business, share link, present, right? And share a lot of options: Facebook, Twitter, email, Facebook group, Google Drive, drawbacks, a lot of things are there. Okay, you can explore all these things whenever you have the time. Okay, so if you want to download, you can download, or if you want to direct share, you can direct share that. Okay, so here if you want to download it, okay, there are two options. One option is, for example, if you want this application, I mean if you want this vcode as a PDF file, if you want to print it, you can download it into PDF print. Okay, so here you can find the options, right? See, first thing is PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, PPTX, MP4, GIF, right? So these are the options you can get. Okay, so if you have any animation and all, then it's a good idea to go for GIF or PNG file. Okay, if you don't have any animation and all, just it is just normal vcode, then you can download it PDF print or PDF standard, your choice. Okay, if you download it automatically, you just click on that, then automatically it will show you. If you click on download, then automatically it will download. This is how you supposed to create your own designs. Let me show you another thing, visiting card designs. All right, so now I'm just want to show you how to create your own business card, visiting cards. So simply visiting cards. So again, here you will get a lot of options. So a lot of templates, whatever the template you want to go with, you can go with. All right. So so I just want to go with education. I'll go with education. So I just want to make some filters. Right. So now you can get a lot of templates. So click on see all, then you will find a lot of templates here. Okay, so whatever the template you want to go with, whatever the business card or visiting card you want to go with, you can use that business card. Okay, so I just want to go with the first one. So for every business card, I mean visiting cards, there will be 2 pages, right? Both side. If you want to use both side, you can use both side. If you have only one side information, then you can use one side, your choice. Okay. So if you want only one, then click on any one of them, that will come to you. Or if you want both, just click on apply both. Okay. If you click on apply both, then automatically you will get 2 pages. Okay, this is front side, this is back side. So the front side, whatever the information you want to write it down, you can write it down. So like WTO Center for Excellence and Happy Learning. Okay, I just have the name. If you want to change the colors, you can change. If whatever the changes you want to follow, the same pattern. Changing the colors, select the text and change the colors. Select the font, selecting of bold or italic, your choice. Anything you can do it. So now I just want to upload my image, my logo here. So then I can go to uploads. Then I can use my logo, whatever the logo I just want to use. So this is the logo I just want to use, so I'm using this. So I just clicked on twice, so I got it twice. So you just need to click only once, it's enough. Or else if you want to keep it somewhere else like this, so that's also acceptable, your choice. So the place you just need to design where it just need, it's your design, it's your creativity, you can use this. Okay, so here you can add the title of the owner. Okay, so it's going above the design. So in that case, what you can do is you can reduce the size. You can reduce furthermore. Okay. Then if you want to add any information here or anything here, you can add any photos or any information like your contact details, anything you can add here. So if you feel that first page completed, just click on, don't forget to click on save. Just click on save. Then go to the next page. So whatever the details you want to add here, you can add. So like name. Right. So here you can add the title of yours. So you can reduce the size. Then, so mobile number, address, email ID, anything you can change, you can add. So for example, this is your card. Now, if you want to download it, you can download it directly. But don't forget to save. Before downloading, you just need to save. You can see your preview as how it looks like. Okay, this is your business card. You can save it and you can use it for print and you can use it for digital purposes also. Understood? So for downloading, same process. Just click on download, then automatically you'll get the option PDF print or your choice. So PNG or PDF file, your size. Okay. So this is how to create your own business cards, visiting cards, everything. Is it clear to all of you? All
Yes, sir.
right. Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Very good. Thank you.